So this is our new box, which you would get in the mail with our Divine Cuisine logos. Hey y'all, I want to come on here. There's some new things that are in the making this year, newness, so I'm very excited about that. I'm excited about certain things that happened last year. You know, we got on Amazon, so you can check us out there. You can also check out us at divinekuizine.com. So now we're gonna have some gift boxes or bundle packages for you guys this year that I'm really excited to show you and talk about. So I have one of the boxes that I wanted to talk about, so I want you to come along and see our new packaging and what will be in this box. Okay y'all, so this is our new look of how you will receive packages from us. It's our box. We have our tape with our logo, Divine Cuisine. So if you order anything from us, this is how it would look, but also this is how it would look for your gift box. You know, if you're giving this to someone or you get one for yourself, if you want to give a gift for yourself, this is how it would look when it would come to you. Okay, so come along so you can see what is actually in the triple threat gift box. So what you will get our 3 products. So you'll get our Romalot sauce, you'll get our mango barbecue sauce, and you would get the jerk sauce. So all 3 of our sauces you would get in this gift box. You would also get our praline pecans that we do make these with our sugar spice, which will be going on sale. We will have these in our store, so stay tuned for that this year. But you will get this. You will also get a recipe, some type of recipe that you can make with one of our sauces. You'll get a card, some sort of card that you can give to if you're gifting it to someone else, it'll be a customized card from Divine Cuisine. And you will get a pot holder, you know, for your grilling or whatever, a nice pot holder. You will also get a gift card, so you'll get a $10 gift card. And you will get either or a basting brush or tongs. So that's what will be in the triple threat gift box. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be bringing out other gift boxes as well, so stay tuned for those. You can find me at our products at divinekuizine.com, and we're also on Amazon. And if you're in Atlanta, we're at the Beaufort Farmers Market. Do like or subscribe to our website so you're up on all the new things that are going to be happening this year with Divine Cuisine. Love y'all. Okay, so let's make this orzo pasta with tomato sauce and chicken. So you're going to get some chicken breast. I have chicken tenders here. And of course, you know, clean them, do all that good stuff to them. And then I'm going to cut them into bite size, you know, maybe 1 inch thick pieces, you know, chunk pieces. So you're going to go ahead and just do that. I just had a package of chicken tenders, but you probably could use maybe a pound, 2 pounds of chicken or something like that, depending on how many people you're trying to feed. But this was just 1 package of chicken tenders. Then we're going to get ready to season the chicken. So I'm just putting it into a bowl after I've cut everything up, and then I'm going to go ahead and season it. So we're going to use some onion powder, and this is kind of on your discretion, but I would say maybe a teaspoon of each one, or a tablespoon. Yeah, teaspoon. That was a seasoned pepper. I have a little bit of seasoned salt I want to put in there. We're going to use a little bit of garlic powder. We're going to use some smoked paprika, regular salt. There's our garlic powder. Regular salt. You have some smoked paprika. And then we're going to go ahead and lightly oil it with some olive oil. And then we're going to mix all that together. Okay, so once all that is all combined together, so you see here I'm just combining, getting all the flavors of all the seasonings and spices and with lightly oiled. And then I'm going to set this aside. And then we're going to start on our vegetables. So the vegetables I'll be using is garlic, onions, white onion, green pepper, and red bell pepper. So I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in there, saute those just a little bit. They don't have to be softened all the way, but just saute it a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the seasoned chicken that we just seasoned into the pot, and we're going to fully cook that. So we're going to, get all that together, the vegetables and the chicken, and let that fully cook. And you're going to do this probably on about medium high heat. Your chicken is pretty much cooked, then you're going to add your fresh tomatoes into the pan or the pot. And we're going to let that combine and saute together. Then we're going to take your tomato paste. I had a tomato basil organic tomato sauce, bottle jar sauce. If you make your own, great, or whatever's your favorite type of marinara or spaghetti sauce. And then we're going to stir all that in. And now we're going to season. So I have some smoked paprika again. We're going to do a little bit of onion powder, kind of the same seasonings, garlic powder, salt, a little bit of sugar because it was a little tart. So this organic tomato paste was a little tart to me, so I put a little bit of sugar in there, some salt. So basically start tasting at this point, seeing what it may need. But the main ingredient is that smoked paprika is going to really give it that flavor. And then you just mix all your flavors together, your chicken, your peppers, and then you're going to let that simmer. So I'm just right here, I'm just combining everything. And then I'm just going to let it simmer. I'm going to put a top over it and let it simmer and come together. I've been cooking the sauce. I boiled up some Orzo pasta. Orzo pasta is like a pasta noodle, really great. And then I'm going to just put my sauce, my chicken over that. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese. Sometimes you could put fresh basil. I didn't have any, but you could put some fresh basil. And there you go. And it is just yummy. It's quick. It's easy. Try it.